Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Today I'm here with John Kerkes with State Farm. And John, do I need flood insurance for my house?
So with flood insurance, it can vary. It really depends on where your home's located. Flood insurance is going to be provided in most cases by FEMA, the National Flood Insurance Program. If you're buying a home, typically as part of the home purchase process, you're going to find out if you're in a flood zone. If you're in a flood zone, if you're buying it all in cash, you don't have to buy flood insurance. However, if you want to have coverage for flood, and when they say flood insurance, they're referring to specifically water rising from the ground. So usually if you're in a flood zone, it's going to be you're near a creek, near a river, might be in a coastal area like Balboa or some area close to the ocean where you might be prone to potentially being in a flood zone. If you're not in a flood zone, you definitely don't have to get it. However, you may still want to get it if you're concerned about that. And if any lenders involved, so if you're financing the home, as part of a refinance or a purchase transaction, if you're in a flood zone, again, it's because you're close to some type of body of water. Because for it to be deemed a flood, it has to be a situation where water's rising from the ground. So, we have torrential rains, a creek's rising, floods into the home, that's going to be a flood. If it's something like a pipe bursting in the wall, rain leaking through your ceiling, again, something overflowing in the house, that's not considered a flood. That's going to be your normal homeowner's insurance. But yes, if you're in a flood zone, you're definitely going to want to get flood insurance. Even if I was buying it in cash, me just wanting to have peace of mind would want to carry flood insurance. If I'm not in a flood zone, I personally am not in a flood zone. I'm on a hill, so I'm not concerned about it personally.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. We'd love to hear from you if you have any questions.